the newspaper boy didn't deliver the paper. Okay, so see, today we are going to learn further what happened. Okay, in the lesson, a lesson for all. So see, there is a conversation between the Mr. Desai and Mrs. Patel. Okay, and Mr. Desai asked to the Mr. Patel that their newspaper boy came or not. Okay, so Mrs. Patel told them no, our newspaper boy didn't deliver the paper still. Okay, and Mr. Patel is also waiting for that, and Mr. Patel is also waiting for a morning cup of tea. Okay, because milkman and newspaper boy both didn't come. Okay, so now after that, what happened? Madhu, yes, she got injured. Okay, yes, why? Because she fell somewhere and she got injured her foot. Okay, so after that they called the doctor Sawant. Okay, so Dr. Sawant came and she just checked the Madhu. Okay, and that milkman and newspaper boy both came and they also talk. Okay, so see what they talk. Yes, Madhu got injured. Okay, and Dr. Sawan came to check her. Okay, so what happened? Yes, they all talk about the rubbish, garbage. Okay, which is spread. Okay, all over in the city on a road. Okay, they just talk about that. All means Mr. Desai, Mrs. Patel. Okay, then Mrs. Joshi. Okay, so all just talk about that. Miss Dr. Sawant also. Okay, and because of the litter, because of that garbage, Madhu also failed. Okay, and she got injured. Okay, so here after some time, yes, the milkman and the newspaper boy came, and they also talk about that garbage which is spread all over on the road in this. Because of that, they just late for deliver their thing, their goods. Okay, so see after that, the driver also come and he also told that I am unable to drop your children to the school. Okay, because everywhere there is only a garbage. Okay, and it's impossible to drive on the road. Okay, so after some times they discuss about the topic, discuss about the matter, and they call to the mayor. Okay, so mayor also he also shocked to see all this garbage on the road. Okay, so after that they just discuss. Okay, everyone is talking here about the garbage. Okay, how is it possible in yes, how is it possible? Yes, yes, how did it's all garbage come back into the overnight? Okay, so they all just discuss about that, and all they discuss also that they put that garbage to the garbage collector. Okay, they put, they give, they just take take the dumping ground. Okay, which is away from the city. Okay, it means they properly yes. Okay, students. So see here. Now after that, what happened? When they are just talking, so all the animals came. Okay, all the animals entered in the play. Okay, and they just they told that we did all these things. Okay, we have brought in all the litter. Okay, means we have brought all the garbage on the street. We have spread the garbage all over the town. Okay, they accept, they confess whatever they did. Okay, so who did, yes, who spread that all the garbage on the road? That animals. Okay, so see here, after that, mayor, yes, mayor said to that animals, yes, how dare you. Yes, what? How dare you? Why you spread this garbage over the town, all over the town? Okay, so they just told why they spread all the garbage over all over the town. They just give the answer for that. Why? Because yes, only human beings. Okay, so see, first bear came. Yes, bear comes forward and he said, we have only brought back to you what belongs to you. Okay, whatever belongs to you, we only give you back. Okay, tell me what right do you have to dump all these in the forest? Okay, after that, bear asked to the people, okay, what right do you have to dump all the garbage in the forest? Why? Because the forests are their homes. Okay, they are dwelling places where they are living. Okay, so the bear is asking to us that why, yes, what right do you have to dump all the garbage in the forest? So see, birds also tell after that. He also come forward, okay, and he also said that our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Okay, means destroyed because of you. Okay, where can you roost? Where can we roost or build nest? Where can we rest? Okay, roost means what? To rest or to go somewhere, okay, or sleep. Okay, so birds also asking that our yes, because of the garbage, okay, our trees are dying and vanishing because of you. Where can we rest or build nest? Okay, so see that after some time, squirrel also said that, and where can we live? Okay, so see, after some time, rabbit also come forward and he also said, you are worried about Madhu being injured because of the sharp broken glass. Yes, you know that Madhu already injured. Okay, she, yes, why? Because of the sharp broken glass. Okay, and the rabbit is for the asking, don't our young ones get injured too? Because we put all the things, okay, in the garbage. So rabbit is also asking, okay, don't our young ones, our childs also injured too? Okay, so deer also said further, yes, and we have no doctor to dress their wounds. Our young ones simply die. So see, the deer said, yes, you when Madhu got injured, okay, when Madhu injured, okay, so at that time you call doctor, but what about us? Okay, we do not have any doctor to dress our wounds. Okay, our young ones simply die. Yes, said the deer. So see, after that, tortoise comes forward and he also told, all the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dump in water. How we suffer because of the chemicals and poison? Yes, tortoise father said, all the fish in the rivers, okay, all the fish in the rivers and lakes die because of the waste dump in water. Okay? So, see, because of the dirty water, because of the waste which we dumped in the water, which we put in the water, because of that, the fish in the rivers and lakes also died. Okay, how we suffer because of the chemicals and poisons. Tortoise also asking. And after that, bear also come forward and he also said, so many animals who drink the polluted water fall ill and die. Okay, the animals who are drinking the water from the lakes and rivers, okay, they also fall ill and die. So after that, Dr. Savant said, okay, all animals come forward and they are telling their issues. Okay, so whatever the human being doing, so they are telling on that. Dr. Savant said, yes, it is unfortunately true. Yes, whatever you are talking, it's a true. You are talking truly. It is a true. Okay. So after that, peacock is saying, we called a meeting and decided to return all your dangerous stuff back to you. We don't need it. So after some time, Peacock also come forward, and he told that yes, because of you, because of these all problems, okay, we called a meeting and we decided in that meeting that we will return all your things to you. Okay, so see, after that, Bear come forward and he told anyone, yes, anyway, we are not as cruel as you. Okay, we are not cruel as you are. We have only written the garbage. We have not poured chemical and poison onto your settlements. Okay, so what the bear is saying here? The bear is saying here, we only return your garbage. Okay, we only gave your garbage back. We didn't mixed. Poured means what? Mixed. We don't mixed any poisonous chemical in it in onto your settlements. Okay, so after that mayor said, I see you animals and birds do have a point, you are right. So after that mayor is telling, yes, mayor is saying that you all right, yes, all the animals and birds, yes, they all are right, there is a point in their talking. So Mr. Desai said, you have opened our eyes. We should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers or lakes. Okay, so open our eyes means what? You made us aware. Yes, you made us aware. So see, Mr. Desai said, you made us aware. You open our eyes. Okay, we should not dump rubbish in the forest or rivers at all. Okay, now see, on that, Mrs. Patel said, but where can we dispose of it? If you are telling that we will not put all the things in the forest or rivers, then where should we put it? So see, on that, Mayor said, if you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Then some of it can go for processing and some for recycling. Yes, what is the meaning of recycling? Recycling means collecting and treating rubbish or garbage to produce useful material which can be used again. So recycling means what? Collecting all the garbage. Okay, collecting all the material and some things. Okay, produce some useful thing or materials which we can use again. Re means again. Okay, so after treating, after the processing, we can use that material again. Okay, so that is the recycling. So mayor said that if you all agree to sort out the litter, sort out litter means you know that wet litter, okay, and wet litter and dry litter. Okay, now also we have to separate it. Okay, we are doing in our home. Now we are also separating the things dry and wet. Okay, you, so if you are agree to sort out the things, okay, so I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Okay, so I will arrange for you that you should, yes, you will collect it separately, and then some of it can go the processing. Processing means what? Preparing, changing, or treating raw material as a part of an industrial operations. Okay, so after the processing, and some for recycling. Okay, so whatever we will, yes, whatever we will collect, whatever garbage we will collect, that we will send it for the processing and for the recycling, the mayor said. So Mrs. Joshi said, it is a good idea, let's do just that. Okay, it's a good idea, we should work on that. Okay, so on that, mayor said, let us save our mother earth from further harm. Okay, thank you. He said to the animals, Mayor said to the animals, thank you, dear animals, for teaching us a lesson so effectively. We assure you, we will not pollute or spoil your homes. I shall even warn those who go there for picnics. Okay, so why? Because we when we go to the picnic, so at that time also we didn't care of that forest. Okay, anywhere we throw the garbage, anywhere we throw the uh, litter. Okay, and we will not care of that forest. Okay, we will not put that garbage in the garbage box. Okay, so yes, so that the mayor is telling that I will warn. Yes, I shall even warn to those people who are going for the picnic in the forest. Okay, so say some animals said thank you, Mr. Mayor, thank you, and they return. Okay, so mayor also said thanks to the animal, and animals also said thanks to the mayor. Okay, so say after means in the last. Yes, what is the moral of that play? The moral of that play is self-help is the best help. Okay, self-help is the best help, and let us clean this up, all including the mayor start picking up the litter and the curtain off. Okay, so it was a play, and what is the moral of that play is the self-help is the best help. Okay, so it is the story, it is a lesson for all, and the animals, yes, animals taught a lesson, okay, to the people who are throwing the garbage in the forest where the animals are living. Okay, so how do the animals in the play teach the lesson to the people? Yes, the animals bring the litter and garbage and dump. Yes, litter and garbage they bring dump in the forest by the people back to the city. Okay, and they litter the street with the garbage. As a result, people find it difficult to walk on the street. Yes, see, the milkman, newspaper boy, bus driver all face the problem. Okay, the people find it difficult to walk or drive on the streets. Okay, and bicycle tires get punctured. Yes, milkman bicycle tires get punctured. Buses cannot drive. Okay, people fall and hurt themselves. Then the animals tell the people that when the animals are hurt, no one cares about it. Yes, if the human beings got hurt, they just call the doctor, but we are the animals, we cannot call the doctor. Okay, the people realize that they have done wrong and learn a lesson never to dump their litter and garbage in the forest or pollute the water of the rivers and lakes. It is a lesson which animals in the play teach the people. Okay, now see,